Alright, here I am. If I disconnect these wires that I believe are the ground to the ECM PCM, truck will not start. So I'll go and I'll try to fire it up. Check engine light does not go on. As a matter of fact, give me 1 second. Connect negative cable. So, as you can see, only the battery indicator is on. Anti-lock, everything else. Truck won't start. That's PCM ground. So, what I'll do is attach PCM ground to the negative battery cable and hopefully get a start. And I also took apart where all the fuses are at because I'm trying to figure out what's giving me a no start condition. So now if you go back, check engine light should illuminate and hopefully it starts. Still getting a no start. So so I know that ECM's getting power. Might be the wiring here on my fuses, well actually my relays, or PCM ground broken somewhere in there, because at times if I moved it just enough, at times what I'll do is I will get a startup, but then it'll fail on me. So let's try to see if I can get a start. Still no start. Maybe it's flooded, so I'll do the flooded. Nothing. So there goes the mystery. So what I'm going to do right now is disconnect the negative again, disconnect my battery. I'm going to switch around the relays. I'm going to switch around the relays. So hopefully maybe one of the relays is the one that's bad and I could get to the bottom of it before I send the truck to an electrician. So what I'll do is I'm going to switch around all three relays. And hopefully one of them will do the job. All right. So let's see here. All right. All relays are switched around. I'm gonna go negative battery cable again. Make sure the PCM is grounded. Let's try this again. All lights indicate on. All the lights are on. Still nothing. So there's my dilemma. Hopefully I could figure this out. or if you guys have any idea what it could possibly be, I'd really appreciate it. I checked fuel pressure. Fuel pressure is good. All fuses are good. I'm just at wit's end right now. Thanks.